Looking for a durable, affordable replacement door handle for your Jeep Wrangler? This OEM-quality part offers a perfect fit and reliable performance without the steep price tag of dealer parts. If you want a hassle-free upgrade that lasts, this could be exactly what you need. Since 1918, this brand has been a trusted name in the automotive aftermarket, pioneering solutions that once only came from original equipment manufacturers. Their commitment to innovation means you get parts that meet or exceed OEM standards, without breaking the bank. With over 80,000 products in their catalog, this company has grown alongside the needs of drivers and repair shops alike. Their door handles are designed to fit seamlessly, making installation quick and straightforward. Many users report completing the swap in just 10 to 15 minutes. One satisfied Jeep Wrangler owner shared that this door handle was the newest addition to their vehicle, praising its excellent fit and flawless function. It's a great example of how aftermarket parts can deliver OEM quality and dependability at a fraction of the cost. The package itself is compact and lightweight, measuring just under 12 centimeters in length and weighing only 0.2 pounds, making shipping and handling easy. Plus, the part number Chrysler %551764766AB ensures you're getting the exact match for your vehicle. If you're tired of overpriced dealer parts or struggling with ill-fitting replacements, this door handle offers a practical, tested solution. It's worth a look if you want to keep your Jeep Wrangler running smoothly without overspending. Try this OEM equivalent door handle when you're ready for a reliable fix that doesn't compromise quality. It's a smart investment that combines convenience, durability, and cost-effectiveness, all in one package.